Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. So I have such exciting news to announce. I am officially a homeowner. John and I just bought a house in our neighborhood, so really exciting. We are going to basically demo the interior and rebuild it to become our dream home. A little bit of details on it. It is, how do I describe this? Traditional. It is original. It was built in 1929 by an architect, and really nothing much has changed since. So it is really cool. However, it's not our style. So we've hired a design team and contractors and a team to install a pool. Like, there has been so much going on that I need to fill you guys all in on. But that will come in another video. Today we are going to Restoration Hardware to look at the cloud couch, and also to Structube because they just came out with a cloud couch dupe, and I thought you guys would be interested in seeing my comparison. I have pretty high standards for the cloud couch. However, I was told that there's a lot of like pilling, so I don't really want to go and spend like so much money on a couch just to have little pilling all over. I'll be upset. So we're gonna check out Structube, check out Restoration Hardware. I'm gonna make all the kids sit on it, make John sit on it, and we'll compare, and I'll take you along the way. Okay.
Go try it, Allegra.
Soft sectional sofa. Looks pretty similar to the cloud couch, except it's only $2,000 Canadian. Now the downfall is that it's back ordered until November. What do you think?
It's comfy.
So what do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, we're at Restoration Hardware. This is the top floor at the Yorkdale Mall. It's so beautiful. I just had to throw it in here. Seriously, my dream. All the big trees and the beautiful chandeliers. Just had to share it with you guys. And of course, a fiddle fig, my favorite plant or tree. We actually loved this chair and are considering to get it to put beside a window. So here is the Luxe edition of the cloud couch. It's the bigger, deeper model. You can see the material looks pretty similar on camera. It felt similar to the touch as well. The pillows are significantly bigger, which gives it that grand, luxurious look of the cloud couch. So this is the original depth cloud couch. Do you guys notice a difference from the other one?
Yeah. This one is like rougher material, but it's still really soft. Like, it's smooth.
It's so soft.
It's so nice.
They made a statue of him. No problem. Okay, we are back from shopping. Now I made a list here on my phone, so I will be looking down. So I'm going to start with Structube and tell you the pros. So the fabric did feel really similar to the cloud couch, that like the classic linen feel. Now, a pro for me is that each cushion on the back and the seat unzips for easy machine washing, which with 3 kids, that is such a good feature. My couch right now doesn't do that, and that's the reason we're getting rid of it. And if you've never sat on the Cloud couch, then this Structube couch is what you would think the Cloud couch felt like. It is so comfortable. It's like sitting on little pillows. Definitely a good couch to nap on. Okay, so now the cons. So in comparison to the Cloud couch, it's only 60% down feather filling, whereas the Cloud couch is 100%. And over time, don't quote me on this, but to my knowledge, because the rest is polyester filled, it will start to bunch up and clump and maybe get lumpy over time. Whereas the Cloud couch is supposed to not do that. Another con is that there's only 2 color options for the Structube couch. It's the color that you saw in the video, so that cream color, or a dark gray. It only comes in one size, so if it's too big for your place, I don't know what to tell you. You'll have to take a piece out. It's currently back ordered until November. It's the beginning of September right now, so that kind of sucks because I actually really liked it to get temporarily for our place now. And then once our house is finished, we can put it upstairs in the older kids' like lounge hangout room. And yeah, the last con is that it's not quite as comfortable as the Cloud couch, but for $2,000, it's seriously up there and it's very comfortable. Now, restoration hardware. So, I mean, I think you guys all know a lot of the pros already, so I'm not going to go over everything. Obviously, it's fully customizable. It comes with 1,000,001 colors. You can choose the depth. It comes in different options for the back if you like a more like relaxed look, if you like a more structured look. I mean, the customizable options are endless. Another pro, it has really fast shipping. I think the Classic collection is available in 2 to 5 days, which is great. And of course, it is the most comfortable couch I have ever sat on. So that's cool. The con, I mean, as I mentioned before, I've heard other people talk about the fabric pilling. I examined it really closely today, and even on the zoom-ins, I didn't see any pilling. Maybe it was just a fabric choice that that person got, but the one in store today was the linen. I don't have any complaints or further insight on that. And of course, the cost. It is so expensive. So we mapped it out today for the same dimensions as the Structube couch. In the Classic, not the Luxe Cloud couch. So it would be about $4,000 Canadian per piece. So you need the left side, the right side, and then the chaise. And the chaise is almost $5,000. So yeah, it's a lot. So for $13,000 Canadian plus tax, and that's with the Restoration Hardware membership, so you get, I think it's 25% off. That's with the discount. So for that price, I don't know, it's scary. That's for the Classic without any of the depth upgrades. It's the 5-inch seat. Yeah, and if you keep playing around with different dimensions, it can go upwards of $20,000 for just the same layout as the Structube couch. Makes me nervous, but I still want it for the new house. We'll see. I'm going to keep hunting for more dupes. I actually found a Canadian guy in Toronto who is making Cloud couch dupes himself with all Canadian fabrics and materials. So I'm going to reach out to him. They start at about $6,000, so maybe that'll be my next review. But hopefully I can find something that is just as comfortable, but not upwards of $13,000. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my first vlog on shopping for the new house and exploring the Cloud Couch dupes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again soon.